Do you want to know how you can use ChatGPT for translation of language? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT for translation. Go ahead and open chatgpt.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now, to summarize your text, what you can do is copy the text of your choice, paste this in the new chat box, go ahead and paste it and click on Shift plus Enter to break the line, and you can write something like translate this to Spanish. So after you write this, you can see that it will work perfectly fine and it will translate most of the things and it will make you look like a perfectly good translator. You can see that it will not translate some things because this right here is the channel name. You can see that it is over here, so it is the same over here as well, unless that everything over here is translated. So let's try translating this to Hindi. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, and I will write translate this to Hindi, Malayalam and Marathi. So I will write this and you can see that it will translate to me in the given languages. So first of all, I order it to transfer to Hindi or translate to Hindi. So it will firstly give me this text on Hindi. After it gives me this text on Hindi, it will then give me in Malayalam and Marathi as I have requested. So keep your patience, write down your text over here and give it the prompt to translate to this text. And you can also add some extra prompts like make it sound like more human as possible and make it more pleasing and more aesthetic to look. So this is how you translate using ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.